while still on confinement, we do keep our morning routines. And I'm whispering right now because Ryan is still sleeping and I don't want to wake him up. I'm more of the morning person and he's more of the night owl. I absolutely love these mornings. My favorite part of the day is sunrise. And I'm making my coffee outside because I don't want to wake up Ryan with the aroma from the coffee. Almost every morning for the past year, I work on Ryan to help him manage the pain he sometimes feels due to having muscular dystrophy. It's also a nice way for us to connect.
Let's try that again.
Before we were confined to our boats, I enjoyed setting up the massage table and spreading the love by massaging some of our friends. But of course, that has changed for the time being. Now I mainly get Ryan on the floor. It's less messy that way.